Defying quarantine lockdowns and digging wells, how Venezuelans are coping with water shortage. Wade through an abandoned highway tunnel with the aid of a safety line as they work to repair a self-created water system in the Esperanza neighborhood of Caracas, Venezuela. A car drives past hauling a plastic water tank on its rooftop. Workers had long ago stopped but it started driving residents to extraordinary measures, banding together to wreak their own. With water provided by a government tanker truck while some seen empty are stored in the living room of a house. Everybody here has water, said Moscoso to AP, seated on the stairs of her hillside neighborhood of cinder block homes. We all benefit. With water provided by a government tanker truck in the Petare neighborhood. An estimated 86% of baby stroller with containers he filled with water that he collected from a street faucet. Maria Eugenia Gil, of the Caracas-based non-profit Clear Water Foundation, said, "They don't have an alternative. You can't stay at home locked inside if you don't have water." With an empty container to be filled with water provided by a government tanker truck. Moscoso pushes a dolly holding a container filled with water he collected from a street faucet. Their above-ground water line starts at the abandoned tunnel's mouth and runs 1,000 meters (3,200 feet) under a highway, strung from power poles over a city street and down to their homes. In a drainage ditch which channels water from an abandoned highway tunnel. Wearing a protective face mask pushes a dolly of containers filled with water. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.